Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show how to solve Facebook story post problem. When try to post show this problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or airplane mode just few seconds. Turn on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Tap on hold Facebook. Click on app info or I button. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search Facebook. Update Facebook app if available Play Store or App Store. Now go to Facebook. Now Facebook story post problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.